Okay, so after I removed the rear AC from the thing, ignore all the other junk, but the rear air conditioner is right there. No longer plan on using that. It was in the way. Problem with that is the condenser for the up front air conditioning that runs in the cab is on the left side over here. It is actually located right here in all this equipment. So I've got to take all that equipment out of there, and I've got to put a regular condenser up front, which I've already bought. So I got to remove these hoses down here. Hopefully you can see these hoses run all the way back to the condenser that's in the back, and then these will plug into the condenser, hopefully. Okay, so I got the rest of the air conditioning all fixed up. It's charged up in the front, put a condenser in it, ready to go. Now, got to remove this old condenser and air conditioning unit under here. Got a lot of interesting things to keep, but it gives me a little extra space in here, so I'm gonna step these lines and take the whole unit out and yeah, lighten it up a little bit. So anyway, I was charging my AC system. The worst part about it is I kept getting these Freon cans, and none of them would let the gas out. And I had been using the same apparatus here to puncture the can, and as you can see, it looks, looks like the same ones that they sell in the stores. Oh, this one's messed up. Anyway, the little needle comes down, and these new cans, the old days, what they used to do is puncture the can and you could not reseal them back up. Well, the new system, you can take this off and this thing will seal back up. Well, you need a special adapter here, and you need to get one that's made recently, because the ones I had would not work, and I tried forever to try to get the Freon to go into the system, and I probably wasted an hour or two doing that, and finally went and purchased a new one of these, and everything worked fine. So just a helpful tip, in case you guys run into the same problem. So I'm throwing these old ones away and get a new one. Save you some time. They're like $7. All right, last step here. I'm going to remove the big old gigantic nips on the side, and that'll give me some space to maybe put batteries or a generator or something in this area, maybe. If I use those fans for ventilation somewhere. Have one push, one pull. Think about that. Alright, so as you can see, I could probably put my holding tank right here. There's the commode right there. I could probably put a pipe, come right down here, put my holding tank right here if I wanted to. Got quite a bit of space. There we go. So, yeah. It was good to take it out, at least for weight reasons. Not to mention freeing up some space. Okay, it's about to rain on me. We can call it quits for today. Gotta like this electric door over there. Jeep still here.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.